Everyone and welcome to Sudha's Kitchen. Today is our pepper harvesting. The pepper pods are ripe and ready for harvest. As you can see, they're all mature and a lot of it in the 7 trees. When the pods change color to this color, even 1 or 2 pods, it means it's ready for harvest. So the pods have to be really round. They have to roll in between your fingers. That is the time you know that they are mature. Now these will be dried in the sun, in the clean atmosphere of Yelagiri, and it will be powdered for use. So growing our own pepper is one of the most fulfilling things. Here we have Selvi and Maril. They are climbing up to pluck the pods. They are helping me with the work of plucking. And already, even from one tree, the bucket is full. This is just a quarter of the tree done, and already the bucket is full. I expect a harvest of about 10 kilos. மேல கிடைக்கிறதா மாதிரி எதுக்கு நடுவுல இருக்குது. So this is how we harvest our pepper. So the pods have been removed and Lakshmi is cleaning the pods and taking out all the small sticks and everything. So these pods will be dried now. So after Lakshmi has cleaned it, we have dried it in the sun and it's been drying the whole day today. We'll be drying it for the next 4 to 5 days till it becomes jet black, and when you pound it, it should powder. Then you know that it is fully dry. So I think this will be about 7 kgs, and to grow pepper at home is, I think, amazing. Thank you.